apologize for that shit. You think that's funny? Can anybody in this state? You know what I did to get this ride, homie? Fuck you up, man. You fucking ass. You better know forget it, fuck. You hit me, fuck. I'ma hit you back.
Making jokes about your Jimmy, but here's the Jimmy joke about your mama that you like.
Asshole trick.
I wish she was a Frisco thing. Fuck your mama. Talking about you and me. Talking to M-U-T. Crazy. With your mama.
Fool.
Make you speak. You spoke in your track.
Me?
Fool show. They got some cool records. That's cool. The DJ's black. Mr. Spencer, he's black, man. Check it out. You're tuned into the home of Ice Cube. I gotta break it for you. Check yourself. Everybody's going for this record, man. Even though he left NWA, he's been doing great on his own, man. So you can't be mad at Ice Cube.
You must be fucked on. You joking or something? You think that's funny? You don't have to apologize for that shit. Can anybody in this state ride? You hit me, fuck. I'ma hit you back.